Hi guys, today we are going to be making the wall pocket. This is one that I did with my son. Here is mine and here is my son's. It's a little wall pocket that you can hang on a door and put little notes in. So you're going to need some more of the cardstock paper. You're going to need a ruler, some string, a pencil, and a hole puncher. And let's get started. We're once again going to start with the 6x6 square. So place your ruler down and make your 6x6 square. I don't think you guys can see. You guys can't see my drawing on this. We're gonna switch to yellow. So we covered the 6x6 square in the first video, but you're just going to measure out a square 6 by 6 by 6 inches and then cut it out. As you can see, each project is a little bit different. Alright, now we're going to draw lines from corner to corner, just like before. We're going to find our center and bisect it. Now we're going to fold only 3 corners up to the center. Alright, now we're going to punch a hole . It is totally normal for your kid to have a trouble with the hole puncher, especially if they're 6. My son had a lot of trouble punching the holes. Alright, now it says to measure down 1 inch from this top point here. Place a mark, and this is where we're going to put the 2 holes for the hanging thread. So it says to punch holes close together at the 2 sides of this dot. But of course, not too close. Alright, and now we're going to tie together here and here. So we're going to weave this through. And tie a bow or a knot, whatever you feel like. I'm gonna do a bow if I can. I'm gonna cut my string rather short. Aha. And then we're going to put a string here to hang it on. And here is your finished wall pocket. It's a great little craft and perfect for the first grade.